Breaking news. Trump media announces major deal to revolutionize energy and AI. Today, Trump Media and Technology Group, TMTG, known for its social media platform, Truth Social, has made an unprecedented move into the energy sector. The company is merging with TAE Technologies, a leading fusion energy firm, in a deal worth $6 billion. This deal aims to advance America's energy dominance and play a pivotal role in powering the AI revolution. So why is this important? And why should we care as American citizens? What is this deal about? TMTG and TAE will merge on an all-stock basis, with each company holding roughly 50% of the combined entity. The new company will be capitalized to fund the first utility-scale fusion plant in the U.S., a critical milestone for clean energy innovation. The newly merged company's pro forma ticker will be DJT, traded on NASDAQ and NYSE Texas. The target is clear: to bring fusion-generated electricity online by 2031 and scale up plants capable of delivering 350 to 500 megawatts of power, a game-changer for the AI-driven energy demands of the future. Why fusion energy? Fusion energy is considered the holy grail of energy sources. It promises clean, unlimited power, using abundant resources like hydrogen isotopes while producing no long-lived radioactive waste and emitting zero pollution. TAE Technologies has already built 5 fusion reactors and is poised to deliver commercial-scale fusion power as soon as 2031. This breakthrough has the potential to power everything from AI data centers to homes and factories across the country, reducing America's reliance on fossil fuels and furthering energy independence. The road ahead. The merger will enable TMTG to bring substantial capital, up to $300 million, into TAE. The money will accelerate the pace of construction for the first fusion plant, a critical step towards scaling fusion as a viable energy solution. The Da Vinci project is set to break ground in 2026, with first plasma expected by 2029 and initial power operations by 2031. TAE's reactor design is compact, less expensive, and easier to operate, making it ideal for rapid deployment compared to traditional large-scale fusion reactors. America's energy future at stake. This deal isn't just about energy, it's about America's leadership in clean tech and global energy markets. TMTG's involvement ensures that America remains at the forefront of energy innovation, potentially transforming national security and economic growth by keeping the country's energy needs homegrown and independent. TAE's innovative reactor design is expected to meet the growing energy demand driven by emerging technologies like AI, ensuring reliable baseload power for the next generation of smart cities and tech-driven industries. The bigger picture. Financially, TMTG's involvement signals a major move in funding large-scale energy infrastructure in the U.S. With $3.1 billion in financial assets as of Q3 2025, the company has the capital and backing needed to make these ambitious plans a reality. Moreover, TAE's track record of over 1,600 patents and $1.3 billion raised in private capital further underscores its potential to lead the fusion revolution. As for leadership, the new company will be co-led by Devin Nunes and Dr. Mikkel Binderbauer, with an independent 9-member board, ensuring both expertise and oversight in the company's operations. What's next? For American citizens, this deal raises questions but also offers hope. Fusion power could reduce carbon emissions, create thousands of jobs, and make the U.S. less dependent on unstable energy markets. But it's a gamble, and 2031 is still far away. Will fusion become the new era of energy? Or is this another decades-long dream that never comes true? Time will tell, but the stakes couldn't be higher. Stay tuned, and we'll keep you updated on how this groundbreaking merger unfolds.